Hello viewers, welcome to the Irobo Automation YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to use timer in PLC software, that is Delta PLC software, WPL software. From the point of upcoming competition on 20th October, event is organized by Irobo Automation and BGS Polytechnic, Chikballapur. So let us start the application, that is software. So open the Delta PLC software, WPL software. For the installation, you please refer the previous videos. Now go to File and then take a new project. So project title could be like timers, okay, and the PLC type should be SS2. Click on OK. Double click on the ladder logic window, and then I'm closing all other windows just to maximize the screen and visible to the audience in the video. So now the timer, the application of timer, we want to understand. So to understand timer, what I'll do is I'll take one input and one output. So let us take a normally open contact X0, that is start, or say for example switch 1. No, for example start button taken. So here application is, say for example there is a condition. When you press the switch, see if there is no timer, what happens, like if when you press the switch, immediately bulb is on, say for example home application. Yeah. So we have taken start button here to start the output. That means we'll take one output as that is coil F7. Say for example motor. Okay. So without timer means like when you press start button, motor will be on. Okay, but we want to have some time delay and then motor to be on. Okay, so that is what we are going to demonstrate here. So in that case, instead of taking directly the output here, what I'll do is I'll delete it and I'll delete this portion. So timer is available in F6, that is application instructions. Click on that application instructions. Next you have to type TMR. If you type it. TMR stands for timer function block. And here there are two variables, that is name of the timer. To define the name of the timer, T. So T is short form of timer, okay. Then T1, say for example 1, 2, 3, that is timer. In the single program that could be 10 timers, 20 timers. So if you keep same timer name, then there will be a issue, right? So to define the timer name, so this is used, say for example T1, even T0 also possible. So I will take T1 and S2, that is this K, variable K. Variable K is constant. Here you have to define the time. Okay, so for example here it is in milliseconds, say for example it is in milliseconds. So for 5 seconds I will take 50. So it is not proportion, is not exactly the same, but for our discussion we are taking 50. 50 means here 5 seconds, assume that. Then click on OK. So now that means what is the input to the timer? Start button is the input to the timer. That means timer will get a signal to start the timer. The signal is coming from start switch. Okay, once timer is on, so timer starts counting the time. Then what is our requirement? After time we want output to be on, right? So that means we can use a timer as a input. We can use timer as input. I'll show you how it is. Go to take one normally open contact, and here there is a T is, that means we are using timer input. Please select T and then T0, but our timer name is T1. See here, T1. So you have to change here T1. Comment. So you can add comment like output is on. Output. We are switching on output. That is after delay. So this is delay. Comment is delay. So after delay, after 5 seconds, normally open contact become normally close, and then it is going to switch on the output. So take F7 motor. Okay, logic is very simple. So when you press start button, timer starts counting the time. After delay, normally open contact become close, and then that's supplying the power to the motor. Okay, so let us verify this. Enable simulation mode, and then online mode. Then it should be in run. It's in run mode. Now if you press start button, see here, K is counting, K up to 5 seconds, 50. When K is 50, then normal open contact become close, and then motor is on. Now the question is how to switch off the motor, because you have pressed the start button so continuously, so motor is on. So when input is off, motor is off. Okay, so that means as long as input is on, output is on. So that is important. So to work timer, continuous supply is required here. To work timer, continuous supply is required. Otherwise you can combine, say for example, sir, I am having only push button. I cannot hold this start button continuously. In that case, you can use set and reset function or holding circuit. I have previously explained. Please refer the holding circuit. You can use it. I will demonstrate. Assume that start button is a push button. I cannot hold this switch continuously for long duration of time. In that case, I will take X naught. Okay, I will take X naught. That is start button, and we'll take one dummy variable here, that is M. M is a marker or a memory bits. It's a system memory. Okay, it's a memory bit. It's a virtual memory location, you can say. And then one more. So it's a holding circuit. Holding circuit using normally open, normally close contact. I've already explained. So you take M0 here. Whatever output is here, same it should be here, parallel to the input. Right. Take a vertical line. And to switch off to erase the memory, we can take that is X1. X1 is stop. If you take start, then you can take stop button. Okay, there is a stop button. And here, instead of using X0, you can go for M0. See here. First you are going to operate start button so that memory bit will be on, continuously on, because there is a holding circuit is here. So when memory bit goes off, by operating stop button. So whenever memory bit is on, it is supplying power to the timer. After delay, then motor is on. Okay, so let us simulate this one. If X0 is on, memory bit is on. Even though X0 is off, memory bit is continuously on, and that is continuously supplying power to the timer. After time, output is on. So now if you want to switch off the output, then you have to operate stop. So motor will stop. Don't forget to switch off the stop switch, otherwise next time it will not work. So X0, once X0 is on, motor will be on after 5 seconds. by operating stop, it's going to stop. So this is how you can use a timer here. So basically timers, actually two types of timers is there, on timer and off timer. This is how you can use as an on timer. Okay, this is on time delay. Off timer also I can demonstrate with the same logic type. We'll see it in the next video. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.